Hey, English 94, welcome to week 3. Now, our class has had some issues with conferences, so let me apologize again to those who I had to cancel with due to the power outages because of the weather. We are going to finish up our welcome conferences this week. So if you still haven't had a chance to reschedule, please check your email from me. And if you don't have an email from me and you know you haven't had a conference, please email me so we can go ahead and set that up. With that said, let's get started. As always, our weeks start right here in Blackboard. So I'm just going to take a second to click on our calendar, scroll down to week 3 so we can look at the overview of where you should be. So last week we started our book, The Hate You Give. We had a poem that we read by Tupac Shakur. This week we're reading chapters 4 through 6. So if you're caught up, then you should be ready to go. Keep in mind that you can either choose to read them in the book that you purchased or borrowed from the library with the links to the PDF versions that are provided here in Blackboard, or to listen via the audiobook links that are in Blackboard as well. Beyond that, we're going to start our first paper this week. So in order to do that, you're first going to have to watch the video, identify your superpower. While you're watching it, know that's exactly what I'm going to ask you to do in your paper, is to identify something about yourself and your identity that you feel is a superpower, no matter what someone else might think about it. And last, of course, we have our weekly discussion board. So let's look at that. It's week 3. So all of our items are here. So just like our calendar, you see our weeks are always divided into what you need to read, watch, write, and do. So again, those readings are chapters 4 through 5. The audiobook links are here. And then the poem, Nikki Rosa by Nikki Giovanni. The link to that is here as well. You'll need the poem for your paper 1 assignment as well. The link to watch the video, and then the link to the paper assignment itself is here. So you'll note there's an overview that walks you right through the steps of what you should be doing in the paper. There's also a video, right? So at the bottom of our discussion board, just for help, I put a video in here that kind of explains what I'm looking for in those papers. If after reading that overview, you still want a little bit more information. And then of course, when we get ready to write, it'll be in our Google folders. So I'm clicking on the link that says student Google folder, finding my name, which of course is all the way at the bottom. And then in my folder now, I have a link that says paper 1, my superpower. So we practiced this last week with our goals. I've looked at several of yours, some interesting things, got people that are looking to get to be better at reading and writing, but also some really interesting career things. Seems like we have lots of people in here that want to be nurses. So for paper number 1, when you're ready to write, all you have to do is click where it says begin here. You can erase all that right on out and then just start typing. Remember, there's nothing for you to save or send me. I have it, I promise. All right. Then the last thing, of course, is just our discussion board. You all are getting really good at this one. So for this one, it's the same thing that we did last week, where we're looking at chapters 4 through 6, and we're going to answer those 4 things. So 1, main idea, 2, vocabulary, 3, 1 question you have about what you read. And then 4, we're going to apply one of those strategies from our video last week to the chapters that we read. And that's it. So as always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please email me. And I'm looking forward to seeing the rest of you in our conferences this week.